Hello, good morning. Today is February 3rd, Wednesday, and we're going to review array lists, another topic that we had started in the previous semester, but a huge topic that we got to know about. There's a video, obviously in live class we'll be doing this together, but if you're doing this asynchronously, you'll be watching this video. Then there's the quizzes, reviewing some array list information, followed by, we're going to start some programs, right? So I don't have like a big list of programs for this back part of chapter 6. So we're going to kind of split them up. So you can see coming up over the next few days, we're going to start one of them today called Twitter followers. And then tomorrow there'll be two more linear search and array list merge programs. And then there's one optional one if you have some extra time. Okay, so please know that this Twitter thing today, you don't have to get all the way through it because you'll have some work time tomorrow. And then also Friday is kind of a work day. There is a practice test on Friday, but these next few days are going to be a little bit more work time. So yeah, that's it. So know that you don't have to get the Twitter followers done necessarily today. I do want to click on here and show you too. I think for a lot of these, there's starter code, and then there's video lessons to kind of help you like follow along. So it can kind of code with me. Again, just pausing the videos and then unpausing when you get stuck. So I think that's a good way to learn, as long as you make sure you don't just watch the video and copy the code. That's not going to help. You have to do some of the thinking yourself. So I believe that's true for many of the programs. I think for these other ones too coming up next, I also made little help videos, and there's starter code for many of them. So if you have any questions about all that, I know it's a little different, just reach out. Thanks. Bye.